In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start TikTok affiliate marketing for beginners without investing any money in paid ads and just by using free traffic. I made $19,725 in commission with TikTok affiliate marketing program just in one single month from the first day of the month of July until the day 30 of the month of July. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services or products, and so on. So guys, make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new method, new strategies that will help you to earn your first commissions with TikTok affiliate marketing. And let's get started. So this is my affiliate marketing dashboard, guys. It's not screenshot. I can click over here. This is my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post, backup, affiliates, and so on. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Okay, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link and you just need to use your email address to sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, guys, all you have to do is you just need to click over here on join now. You guys can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate on TikTok. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are not paying just few cents. This one is profitable and they are paying good commissions. Okay, so just click here on join now and you will be directly just make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. Choose your country, super easy. Choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you guys can put your Skype account here, but if you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and you should see your commissions here, your clicks, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good services that you will promote on TikTok to earn commissions. Okay, so what you will do, guys, pay attention, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, to this page, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on TikTok. So pay attention, click on the search for TikTok. Okay, search for TikTok video editing. Search for this one, TikTok video editing. So since we will promote our services on TikTok, we will choose services related to TikTok. Okay, those services like TikTok editing service will help people who are using TikTok to grow their TikTok account, to get more followers, more likes, more views, and so on. Okay, search for TikTok video editing, scroll down, pay attention, always choose good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they will check the reviews of the sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, people will buy this service from you and you guys will earn commissions. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose like this one here. You guys can see this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star, a lot of reviews. It's close to 1000 reviews. That's really good. So what you guys will do, just click on his service like this and you guys will be directly in this seller homepage of this service. Okay, as you can see. So what you will do next is you will copy the link of this seller, copy this seller profile link like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. Okay, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, and you have payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page like this. All you have to do is you just need to click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You guys just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do is you just need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. Okay, before we do that, we need a video. So what you will do next, so guys, you guys can see this seller has a video that's really good. Let's check his video. So his video explaining his service, okay, and how this seller will edit TikTok videos and make them more engaging and professional. You guys can see that's really good. So what we need to do next is we need to double click on the video, and we will need to click here on save video. Okay, so we will save this video to our laptop. I'm gonna click on save. So just click on save, and here you go. Click over here on save, and this video will be saved into your laptop. What you will do next, you will go and search for Canva. Go to Google, search for Canva. It's for free and it's easy to use. You just need to use your email address to sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page. So just click here on create design. Scroll down. So you should see here TikTok video. Click on TikTok video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr about TikTok editing service. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, click on upload file. Let me see again. Should find the video here. I'm gonna go to downloads, and here you go. This is my video. I will click on open, and here you go, guys. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video, and your video will be over here like this. Click. So what you will do next, so just pay attention, make the video like this. Okay, like this. Click over here on the background, click on background color and choose black color. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. You will click on this one, click on the text style that you want to use. Your text will be in the front of your video like this. So what you will do next, let me show you. You just need to delete the second one and put this. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I want to delete this one. I'm gonna put this text first here, and I will delete the second one, and I will use just this one. I'm gonna decrease the font size of this text and put this text here. Double click on the text and write this sentence. Check link in my bio to get TikTok editing service. Okay, like this. And make this title like this. So people who are using TikTok, they will be interested. I'm gonna edit this. Okay. So like I said, guys, people who are using TikTok, a lot of people, they already have editor that help those people edit their videos to go viral and get millions of views. That's why this service is very important and it's still working. People still searching for video editors to edit TikTok videos, and that's why I choose this service. So you guys click on the duplicate. You guys can put also this here, and here you go. Your video will be like this. Click on your video. Also, you can guys remove the background music if you don't want. If you don't like it, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna just leave it. You can add free background music from TikTok. Okay, yes, from TikTok. And here you go. Your video will be like this. So people who will see your video, people who are searching for video editor to edit TikTok videos, they will see this. Check link in my bio to get TikTok editing service. Okay, they will check your bio. You will put your affiliate link in your bio, and that's it. So after you guys finish, you can click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account, click on upload this video to your TikTok account, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and you guys, if you guys just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your TikTok account, put your affiliate link in your bio, and start promoting those TikTok videos editing service, okay, that are related to TikTok. Just promote all services related to TikTok. That's how I made it. Didn't come just from TikTok, because I'm using YouTube, I'm using Twitter, I'm using Facebook, I'm using Google, I'm using LinkedIn, Quora, and so much more. Okay, if you guys are interested to see more videos like this, new method, new strategies, comment affiliate marketing, and they will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods that will help you to make affiliate to make money with affiliate marketing and scale this business and make it a profitable business. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, also guys, my affiliate marketing course is available now and it's done. For people who are interested, you guys can check my description and you can find your my email there. And you guys, please, just only serious people who really want to take action and stay consistent and want to really to work hard, you guys can reach out to me and they will explain more and send you my affiliate marketing course. Okay.